Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix enable to verify app and internet connection is required to verify the trust of the developer. So if you install an app from the App Store and after you open the app you see this kind of error while you open the app. So if you see this kind of error, so how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, you have to simply close this page, and after closing this page, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after checking your connection, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply go to general, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply reset all of your network settings, and after resetting all of your network settings you have to simply go back, and after going back what you have to do, you have to again click on general, and this time you have to simply click on software update, and you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of iOS 18. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply look for that app, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply remove that app from your iPhone, and after that we have to open the App Store here, and here what you have to do, you have to simply look for that app again, and you have to download and install that app again. And after that if you open that app, then if you have a good internet connection, then iPhone will connect to the Apple developer and check the verification of the app, and it will test the trust the developer of that app and make sure that that app is not harmful for your device. So in this way iPhone checks an app trust building, so that any kind of harmful app is not available on App Store. So while you install the app, you have to make sure that you have the internet connection, and you can simply verify that app trust from the Apple Store. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.